Hi, I'm Symon. And today we're gonna talk about sampling procedures. But what is sampling? Why is it used in research? Expert says that researchers need a sample that provides an adequate amount of data to fully analyze the topic and answer the research question. So let's find out. There are 4 types of sampling procedures: qualitative, non-probability, probability, and purposive sampling. Qualitative sampling focuses on collecting facts to deepen understanding. It has 2 types. First is the non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling has 3 types: the convenience sampling, quota sampling, and judgmental sampling. Convenience sampling relies on data collection from population members who are conveniently available to participate in study. Examples of this include street interviews, school interviews, and etc. Quota sampling samples a population that has been subdivided into classes or categories with respect to known characteristics, traits, or focused phenomenon. Examples of this are surveys on various categories for an income. Lastly is judgmental sampling, where researcher uses his or her own expert judgment. Results obtained through the sampling may be biased due to lack of facts. The other type of qualitative sampling is the probability sampling. Probability sampling has 4 main types: the simple random, stratified, cluster, and systematic sampling. Is a subset of a statistical population in which each member has an equal probability of being chosen. Below is the said example. Next is stratified sampling. This involves categorizing the members of the population into mutually exclusive and collectively groups. The researcher may stratify the samples by varieties. Cluster sampling separates group into cluster. Clusters are representative samples of the population as a whole. Then a simple random sample is selected from the population. And lastly is the systematic sampling, which sample members from a larger population are selected according to a random starting point and a fixed periodic interval. This interval, called the sampling interval, is calculated by dividing the population size by the desired sample size. And for the finale, the purposive sampling, which is selected based on characteristics of a population and the objective of the study. The next slide shows diverse strategies used for recruiting research participants. Be of good cheer, and God bless.